Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at some things that you can do. You have a program that will not start because the MSVCP140.dll is missing from your computer. For a more in-depth look at the problem, we will link an article in the description down below. There is the option of searching for the DLL file online and then pasting it into the particular place. Unless you are getting it directly from the software company, this is risky, as you place your computer in the position of downloading malware or a virus, or potentially violating copyright. If you were going that route, it might just be a better solution to uninstall the program and reinstall it, as it is a good possibility that the installation package already includes this. The other option is to go to Microsoft and download the latest Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studios on your computer. We include a link to the official Microsoft download site in the article. Follow the instructions and then restart your computer when you're finished. See if the problem is corrected. For more fixes aimed at maximizing your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We are always uploading new content aimed at making you the master of your digital universe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.